doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm scaring people.
Is there anybody out in this shithole? There's someone, but that's too far away. Green light. Check out. Oh, you scared me. Yeah. Where's the people at? Where are we going?
Dude, that place being hit.
Huh? No, I'll be nah, don't do that. Hold on. Oh my god.
Why didn't you get that?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
She's laughing.
I think. Oh my god, dude. People in this town just don't care. Must all be high or something. Nobody. I couldn't even catch that really. Now. Jeez, he didn't even flinch. Motherfucker. Where else?
Well, Hamers ain't there. Give up here.